Well, now that we're done with all the roller skating fun, let's get back to some reviews. Oh my god! I thought I was in love with this gimbal. Oh, that's nice smooth movement. Well, that's definitely interesting. Very smooth there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. I can't zoom in and out though with this thing. Move up and down, left and right. Also, how do I do vertical? Alright, here we are in vertical mode. I can't go up and down though. What? It's turning the phone the wrong way. It's turning it to vertical. It's not turning the vertical phone left or right. Well, that sucks. Look at me. Alright, let's see. What can I do? Up and down? Can't tighten, can't go in. What? The phone's moving. It's moving vertical. It's not moving up and down. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, this is awful. Okay, something's not right here. This is cool. I like it. Hey, way up here. Can you stop? No, we're starting it again. That's cool. All right, let's stop it.
Also a little slider on the side that allows you to zoom in and zoom out. Wow, look at that.
Doesn't work for me.
That was a really...
Let's do the face tracking. Oh, that stopped the face tracking. Now we're starting it again. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, cool. You could stop. Thank you. And stop. Stop recording. Okay, see, so this still isn't allowing me to do vertical. Look, it's turning the phone horizontal. I want to turn the phone, the vertical, to left and right, and it's not allowing me to do it. It's turning it to vertical. This is ridiculous. Look at this, it's turning it horizontal. Upside down, there's the kitty cat. This is not how I want this camera to move. This does not make sense. Alright, now check out this weird stuff. Like every 7 seconds, this will jerk to right there. I don't know why this keeps on tilting left and right and beeping. Why does this keep on automatically tilting left and right and beeping? What the hell's going on here? Why does this keep on doing this? There goes the zoom. The zoom works now. You have to be on the app for the zoom to work. But at the same time, the only reason why I'm in vertical is because when I'm in horizontal, it keeps on clicking to the left automatically. See? For whatever reason, I have no idea. I'll put on this tracking. I don't know why this keeps on doing this. Object tracking's tracking something else automatically. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to do this review here, and you're going to see in a minute why I cannot use this Aochun, or however you say it, gimbal tripod for my review. There it goes. Now, if you listen closely, you could hear me still continuing to do this review, unwitting to the fact that this camera flipped on me. Gotta put the wheels on. Are you f***ing kidding me? Okay, so this time I'm gonna give it a go again. Hopeful that'll never happen again, and it was just a complete accident. Nope. Yeah, this is not again, I don't notice until I'm filming again, and it's too late. You son of a bitch! And here I go again. Multiple attempts. You can tell I have a lot of faith. I still don't notice. Until now. Oh, you son of a And you can see it's not for lack of trying, because I've tried this multiple times in multiple situations, and there you go. She flips again. I thought I was in love with this gimbal. I couldn't have been more wrong. Super great, high quality material, dysfunctional ability. I recant my last review.